How to work out the empirical, molecular or structural formula of an organic compound. So the two example molecules that we're going to use are ethane and pentane. They're both alkanes, they're both hydrocarbons, which means they only contain the elements carbon and hydrogen chemically bonded together. So we can make moly models of both ethane and pentane, and they look like this. So ethane's got 2 carbons and 6 hydrogens, and pentane has got 5 carbons and 12 hydrogens. So we can draw it on paper so that your ethane looks like this. It's got 2 carbons and 6 hydrogens like this. And pentane has got 5 carbons in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's got 12 hydrogens, remembering that each carbon has to have exactly 4 bonds. Which elements are in the compounds? So ethane contains C2H6 and pentane contains C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are 12 hydrogens in total. So this is C5H12. What is the simplest ratio of elements in the compound? So this question is asking, what's the simplest ratio of carbon to hydrogen in this and in this? So both these numbers divide by 2. So the simplest ratio of 2 to 6 is 1 to 3. So it's CH3. But the simplest ratio of 5 to 12 is 5 and 12. You can't divide 5 and 12 by a common number to give a whole number. So it's C5H12. We call this and this the structural formula. So that's when it's drawn out so you can see how all the atoms are connected. We call this and these two things the molecular formula. And finally, we call the simplest whole number ratio of the elements in the compound the empirical formula. So the structural formula of the compounds are these. The molecular formula of ethane is this. The molecular formula of pentane is this. The empirical formula of ethane is this. And the empirical formula of pentane is this.